Hello students, myself Mr. Devendra from Akal Academy Hapri. Today we will discuss further points of the chapter Soils of India from grade 4 of Social Science. This is the final video of the chapter. In previous video, we learned about the soil degradation and soil erosion. In this part of the video, we will learn about soil conservation. So dear students, do you know soil conservation? Let's talk about soil conservation. You know very well that beta, soil is a natural and national resource. Its fertility will give good agriculture production. Soil takes millions of years for its formation. Therefore, soil needs to be conserved. Soil conservation refer to applications of techniques which help in conservation of soil. So in the next slide, we will learn various techniques for soil conservation. First, afforations. Afforations means the growing of tree in an area as trees bind the soil particles together and prevent in soil erosion. So in monthly or weekly we can plant a tree in our house. So try to plant a tree in your house. It is very good habit. In the next slide, the technique is to making dam on the river. Many river causes soil erosion due to heavy rainfall. Therefore, their flow can be regulated by building barriers or dams in the middle so that their speed is decreased. In the third method, keep a check on overgrazing. Separating grazing grounds can be made and animal should be sent there after times. And fourth point is very important, which is crop rotation. Crop rotation should be applied. In this, the crop should be grown in rotation as they help in maintaining the soil fertility. In the picture, you observe that in the first year, we will crop malt barley. In the second year, we can grow spring wheat. Third year, we can grow potato. In the fourth year, next same process should be followed. In this picture, the crop rotations classified very well in this picture. So, dear students, now you are able to define soil and its features as well as soil conservation. And the final point is terrace farming. Terrace farming can be done in the hilly area and small steps can be made in the mountains area, which help in reducing the water speed and thus help in reducing soil erosion. So dear student, from my side, thank you. Thanks for watching. This video is presented by Akal Academy Hapri, Department of Social Science. Thank you. Have a nice day.